Guys, look at him, Leo. He is smelling food. See, his nose. Because I hit my food, this one, and he's looking for it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. What are you doing, Leo? Huh? You smell my food too much? See, he's following. Oh my God, my food is very dangerous now, Leo. Why are you following me? It's not your food, Leo. It's mine. Don't ever touch it, okay? Or else I will kill you now. I will kill you now. Okay? What are you planning? Huh? What are you thinking? It's not your food, It's not your food. Mine. Please. Please, behave, Leo. Control yourself. See, he's looking for the smell. Smell. He's looking for it. He went there because I hit my food in the oven. And now the smell is still there. So Leo is smelling it. I don't give you food like mine. Because it's for me, not yours. You have your own food. Sorry, Leo.